Students at Rutgers University in Camden are researching ways to use biological material from worm silk to build structures that may one day be used to create living tissue. It's work that until recently was only discussed on paper in academic research. A three-dimensional printer has changed all that.
Now with the 3D printer, some of the applications that we call in the literature, oh, this can help on this field, this could help on XYZ field. Well, next year I could try it. So it gave me the next step.
3D printing has come a long way since it was first developed in the 1980s. Today's printers are faster, more precise, and more affordable.
I think my kids' generation might have that in their house. The little thing break from the door, let's print it.
But the future of 3D printing goes beyond printing doorknobs and toys. There's 3D printed clothing, food, even living tissue for use in research and organ transplants.
Really, there's no doubt in my mind that this technology is going to change everybody's life.
Philadelphia's BioBots is at the forefront of the 3D printing revolution in healthcare. While use in living humans is still decades away, researchers like those at Rutgers are making big strides using bioprinters like those developed by BioBots.
When we started the company, the vision and the goal was really to build tools that could empower people to design and engineer living things.
3D printing is also helping to prepare doctors for surgery by allowing them to print models of complicated human organs. Remedy Simulation Group in Percy is using a combination of 3D printing and traditional modeling to create these pre-surgical models for its clients.
Little Sally's at CHOP, she has a heart valve defect and the doctor sees the images on the screen. He can send us the data from the scan. We'll digest that data, put it into a printable format, and we'll get him back a model of little Sally's heart.
Beyond healthcare, 3D printing is also revolutionizing traditional manufacturing. At Creative Mechanisms in Warminster, a 3D printer is doing much of the work once done by machinists and sculptors. It's helped the company remain in business, creating prototypes for toy makers, consumer products companies, and other clients.
It brought the prototyping back to the United States for us. So it's really shifted from the talent of the craftsman fabricating a prototype to the talent of the engineers drawing the product, whatever it is, in 3D CAD.
Despite advances, users say 3D printing still has a ways to go before it's widely adopted, but they're already drawing plans for a 3D future. This is Krista Shoemaker-Dubree reporting.